This is a surprise.
It is?
Yeah, I didn't expect a pop-up from you.
Well, to be honest, I didn't expect to pop up either.
I see. So what is it? You were in the area and decided to just stop by?
Well, kinda.
Mr. Pride.
What? You know what pride means?
It means you have a problem expressing how you feel or showing your true emotions.
Well, word it different. Say, me proud. But that pride something there, no rainbow around here.
Really? So, what do I owe the pleasure of this visit?
Well, I want to see you.
You did? Aww.
Look here, please don't make me regret this.
No, don't. I wanted to see you too.
Yeah, right.
Seriously.
Okay, so when were you planning on sending me a message? Why, you were going to do it telepathically? Because I don't see no missed call or no message from my phone.
Well, I was planning to call you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm sure you were.
I'm serious. I was either going to call you or surprise at your office.
And how would you know if I'm at my office if you didn't call? You still have me on a surveillance?
Carlton.
A joke me make. Look, I'm joking. I'm over that, Celine. I'm over it.
You are?
Yeah, I am.
I'm so happy and relieved to hear you say that.
The thing is, life too short to hold grudges. And I can see that you were genuinely sorry for what happened.
Finally. Now we can put this behind us.
Yeah, we can.
I wanted to do that from the last time we saw each other.
Really? me too?
You wanted to kiss me too?
Yeah, me even cuss myself out and walk off.
Me too. Me I say, oh, you so fool. Oh, you never kiss him.
And the same thing I say. Me I say, you want an idiot, you know. Why you should kiss her? Then I say, you know what? Maybe next time.
Me that say the same thing too. I mean, I say to myself, say, you're not going to see him again. You blow your chance, girl.
Well, I guess you were wrong.
Because here you are.
Celine, how would this work?
How would what work?
Us. Knowing that I was once your mark and now we seemingly I head back to a place. Well, you know what I mean.
That's a very good question. And I'm not even going to pretend I have the answer.
What if Mr. Mullings already knows so we'll see each other again?
I'll cross that bridge when I get there.
So, what is the worst case scenario?
Relieved of my duties.
And him wouldn't try to come after you? I mean, the fact that you have agency secrets.
Only if he feels I've been compromised.
I don't think he would feel like you're compromised being with me because me feel like I'm out for me now.
No, Carlton. Mr. Mullins is not out for you. If anything, he respects you.
Respect me? You feel so?
The night of the interrogation proved it to me. I think he sees you more as a credible businessman that shouldn't be involved in certain things.
You know what? I feel like we're exposed out here, so go into the vehicle.
Listen, if he wanted to make your life difficult, he could have. Especially with the container issue.
You know, I've been thinking about that. I mean, I wonder why him do it.
I'm honestly just a follow him gut because there is nothing in your past or anything with a reputation that could link you to guns in a container.
Oh, it's just hard to me trust Mullins, because he's a chess player.
But he's not always playing Carlton. Sometimes him just a do the right thing.
Were you on that container case?
Nope. I'm not even allowed to suggest anything that is related to Carlton Wallace.